We got a couple nice boats here. A lot of pontoon boats, guys. A lot of pontoons.
Where's the fun at Freddy's boat?
A little small boats coming. Looks like we still got some boats coming.
No fun at Freddy's. But they didn't have fun at Freddy's.
Got a few more.
Yeah, but Christmas shit. Yeah. That's not how we're going to chicken coop. Come back and say, wait a minute. Yeah, I like that shit. First of all, I was just making sure there's no holes and no cracks to the food again. There's one opening, that's fine. I got them sitting down pretty good. Something big while I was gone. Get the crap getting over there. Big pop.
Got to mute it every so often, guys, because of the wonderful YouTube music. Got another little boat.
What's that noise?
All right, guys, still going. I got a party boat coming here in a minute.
No, they ain't that far. They don't even know it's there. They're further down. They're further down. I guess. I don't know.
Got a party boat going.
Oh, yeah.
Little Jimmy Buffett's on it going right. All right, here we go. Oh, look at this one, guys. A little John Bass boat, maybe. A lot of lights on that thing.
We can't pause it and go back to the bank, Daddy. That's not how it works. It's not even your fault.
There we go, guys. Cool little boat. Howdy. Sit down, man.
Yeah, we're always working.
Alright, so we got us a few more coming.
I'm out. What do you want me to do?
There we go. There comes the cow boat.
There's a dog right there.
Oh, look at that.